This video will demonstrate how to change the encoder on the AM3K measuring head from benchmark wireline. For ease of access, position the measuring head on its side with the encoder facing up. Remove the 4 bolts that hold the encoder in place. Carefully remove the encoder, taking care not to jar the coupling stack. There's also a plastic coupling that connects the coupling stack to the metal tang on the measuring wheel. The coupling stack interconnects with it. This is what it looks like when the adapter body is removed. Carefully remove the O-ring. Note that the coupling stack is held in place on the encoder shaft with 2 set screws. Loosen both of the set screws and slide the coupling off the shaft. Make sure that the coupling easily slides up and down on the shaft. Remove the plug which covers the access hole on the adapter body. We'll now place the coupling stack on the measuring wheel through the adapter. The tangs on the stack must line up with the measuring wheel. Using a pair of needle nose pliers, place the stack on top of the wheel. Lubricate the rubber seal using DC-111 or similar product. Be careful not to damage the rubber seal. Replace the seal on the adapter body. Notice the flat side of the shaft on the encoder. Twist the shaft so that the flat side faces the access hole on the adapter. Carefully place the encoder in the adapter with the shaft in the center of the coupling stack. Install 2 bolts in the encoder to temporarily hold it in place. Looking through the access hole, you should see one of the set screws on the coupling stack. If you do not, rotate the measuring wheel until you do. Tighten the set screws enough to hold them in position on the encoder shaft. Remove the 2 bolts on the encoder. Carefully remove the encoder without jarring the coupling stack. Firmly tighten the 2 set screws on the coupling stack. Align the coupling and carefully reinstall the encoder, taking care not to jar the encoder stack. Replace and tighten all 4 bolts holding the encoder in place. Turn the measuring wheel while looking through the access hole to assure that the coupling stack is properly seated. Using thread sealant, run a bead on the leading threads of the access plug. Reinstall the plug and firmly tighten it.